crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for dropping in to spend a couple of minutes with me to talk about Jenny's countdown to Christmas and what that box looks like for 2025. So far, I have been super happy. We got a pattern, we got a panel, and it was focused more on winter, right? Kind of the snow globe winter whimsy is what I would call it. And then we got the small rotary cutter yesterday, which I have never used. So far, it has been a pretty awesome box. So, what does day three bring us? Let's not waste time. Let's get right in. So, again, a smaller package, right? We kind of started with a bigger package, smaller. But let's see what day three brings us. I will say, I really do like these snowflakes that they use this year. And again, it's just funny, only being a subscriber for like 3 years to see the evolution in the things and the attention to detail they're starting to think about is pretty cool. And of course, it's all that consistent packaging in that, which makes it nice, right? So this one, oh, this feels like a charm pack. All right, let's see what Jenny and team brought us. This is called Mix and Match. It is 42 charms. It is by Maywood Studio, and it is very spring summery. And I am going to open mine because I just can't stand it because even though it's from Maywood Studio and that, it does not show us other than just the one piece on the front what these look like. So it is a very springish patterns, which is fine. This actually looks like almost like snowflakes. And then we go into some polka dots, right? And then we get into, oh, I kind of like that pattern. That almost looks like Missouri Star, does it not? I tell you what, you can tell how successful they're being because they are doing a lot of custom branding, which is awesome. I mean, how great for them considering the journey and the life that they've had. But I do really like some of the things that I am finding here. So overall, it is a pretty cool charm pack. So nothing I'll be working on anytime soon, but as always, you can't have enough fabric. Would I have grabbed this in the store? I don't know. I do like doing some of the things. If you remember, I did a Christmas tote out of charm packs not too long ago. This would actually make a really cute spring tote. My daughter loves getting those totes and that. So, you know what? Who knows? This very well could turn into a tote for her and definitely be used. I do like charm packs. You have probably a drawer full. So, this is definitely a keeper. So, for 3 days, I am very happy. Day three, again, the team and Jenny did an amazing job. And I can't wait to see day four. Guys, thanks for dropping in, spending a few minutes with me to see what I thought about this. I am not an affiliate. I am not associated with Missouri Star Quilt. I paid full price for this box, just like many others. This is my unbiased opinion and what I think as a man in the quilting world. But so far, pretty happy with all 3 days. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, bell if you want to be notified, all those things that make us successful as creators on YouTube. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you tomorrow for day four. As always, happy crafting.